Issue on this sharp display. As you can see, my desktop is up there. It's extended right now. We're going out mini display port to HDMI. I also have an HDMI port. I have not had any different results using that. That line is directly connected to HDMI 1. I've also used HDMI 2 to no effect. Let's see here. Go down here and show you that. Let me open up like Spotify. There you go. Spotify is playing. My volume is maxed here, and it does see a PN-L851H as the audio. And let's see if I go to menu, I go down to audio select. We are on application. HDMI is set to HDMI. And my audio option is internal speakers. And as another test, I do have this test generator, which is currently set to output a 44K sample at 2-channel, and it's generating it internally and embedding it on the HDMI. So if I take this, sorry, it's a little awkward. There we go. There's my audio from my PC. All right, now, as you can see, I have my color bars, but I have no audio. Nothing. As you can see, got these little speakers right here, and those are directly attached to the display. Anything else? Please let me know.